In this video, we're going to talk about how to purchase Bitcoin on Uphold. Bitcoin is at the mark of $31,384 of the recording of this video, and I want to show you how you can do it very simple and very easy right on the Uphold platform. I'm Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into this content because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. Let's dive in. Now, when you click on the link below, you'll get access to this page here. Sign up, get your information into that actually link, and then you'll come to a page that looks like this. What I want you to show you first, over to your left, you can look at a watch list, or you can click on markets, and this is where all the assets are onto your left. Cryptocurrency, you get equities, you got other things as well. We're gonna focus on Bitcoin right now. If I click on Bitcoin, I can find out the price of how much it's worth. And also there's a graph here that shows exactly what the history has been within 1 hour up until 1 year. Now, to me, I think this is obviously a good opportunity to look to buy because the price is down. Not financial advice, but just showing you exactly how to invest on the Uphold platform. Uphold is so easy to do. I'm telling you, you can download the mobile app on your phone, or you can get this on your desktop or laptop or even tablet. Now, the next step you want to do is come over here. It's anything to anything. Anything to anything. You can buy anything that's on the Uphold platform that you have access to, and you can sell anything that's on the Uphold platform that you have access to. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is get your bank account or your credit card information together. Now, if you click on the plus here, you can add in your checking account, or you can add in a credit or debit card. Very simple and very easy. Now, if I click on credit on debit card plus sign, I'll fill out this information. Basic, simple, click on add card, right? If I'm trying to add in my bank account information, click on the plus, I select my bank currency, and then I'll continue the steps from there. Very simple, right? So we're gonna go ahead and highlight the credit card and debit card area. So let me close this, and I will just select, because I've had it already in here, I'm gonna select that. Now, the next step I'm gonna think is I'm gonna go ahead and get the asset of Bitcoin. Now, I'm gonna put down I'll put down $5 for now. That's how much Bitcoin I'm gonna use for this training actually video here. So I'm gonna find Bitcoin, and then I can do it out of my accounts, or I can look at cryptocurrencies right here, or national currency if I'm trying to do something else. Now we're gonna focus on Bitcoin. So I'm gonna click on Bitcoin right there. Remember, you can click on here to do the same thing. You can add a new Bitcoin account or an existing one. So we're gonna use an existing one. There's $5 that we are investing into, and it shows this. Learn more about how pricing works. You can click on this here, and it'll redirect you to the information how the pricing works. 1 Bitcoin equals $31,776 for a Bitcoin. The next step you want to do is click on preview deposit. If I click on preview deposit, it redirects me to this page here that shows you pretty much a layout what you're getting yourself into. Here is the transaction number, so that's basically the credit card number, and then also here's the BTC account number as well. From $5 to my Bitcoin account, that's how much I'm getting, and then 1 BTC equals $31,737, and the settlement time is really, really good. I click on confirm deposit as well. Now, if I was using my checking account, I'll do the same thing. Same exact thing. If I say, hey, I didn't want to use my debit card or my credit card, let's say I want to use my checking account, I will have to read this information. I've been getting some information about this 64-day situation. Be aware you won't be able to withdraw to external crypto wallets for 64 days, but you'll be able to trade immediately, withdraw the deposit and any related profits to your bank account within 4 days. Now, for faster withdrawal to external crypto, use your credit or debit card. So if you don't want the 64-day in terms of that process, use the credit or debit card. Use the credit or debit card. So I'm going to keep it on credit and debit card because I want to have access to much quicker and faster transaction. So if I click on preview deposit, there it is. Here's my information here. Immediately, I can confirm. Let's see what happens. It's going to redirect me to a page. Sorry, your transaction cannot be processed. Okay, so I need to try it again. I need to do more than $5. So let's go $10. And I'll go ahead, go preview. Same information. Confirm deposit. Now it's going to basically redirect me to a page of verifying my information. And I need to click on continue. It even got a phone number there for you can get access to your bank or whatever you have. So it's really cool to use this. And so then next it's going to ask me for an encode. Our authorization code has been sent to your cell phone. So when you sign up on your account, when you click on the link below, when you're adding all your information in there, you do have to add in your mobile device number as well. So I'm actually getting this together. So I'm going to type that in. You probably will not see this number, so it's going to be edited out, so you will not be able to see the number here for, you know, safety purposes. So I'm typing it in right now. Let's see what happens, and it should go ahead and process this in the next few seconds, and it has. And check this out. If I go to the middle balance section here, if I click on there, it shows right here two actually deposits that we've made. This one we just did within a couple of minutes ago. $10, 1 BTC equals $31,827. Very simple and very easy. And you notice I use my credit or debit card for a quicker response. Yes, you can use your bank account, but remember that it's a whole different deal when you use a bank account. I suggest you look at using your credit or debit card for a quicker return for yourself. Now, if I'm trying to sell the BTC, I'll do the exactly same thing. If I want to sell the BTC into my bank account or to my checking or back to my debit card, I'll just reverse the steps. I'll go right here. I find Bitcoin. That's what it is, my account. I click there. And now I will select how much I want to sell to. So if I can I'm gonna type in exactly how much I can sell to. So remember, I can sell, this is the Bitcoin number. So I'm basically just typing in the number pretty much. And let me, there are too many zeros. And so I'm going to sell that. And I'm going to go to my bank account. So yes, that makes sense to sell your bank account, not back to your credit card. And that's how much I can sell to. I can sell $19 back to my card or back to my account in short. And so that's what we will do. And if I click on preview withdraw, the next step is giving me the information. Here's the Bitcoin account is being sold into your checking account. Remember, set up your checking account and your credit debit card if you're trying to use both of those. And here is your checking account. This is how much money will be in there. And then here's the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. You just type in numbers in there. Now, if you need your Authenticator app information, you need to click on Get Help and follow these steps here. What is a verification code? Follow these steps here. And then if you need to download the 2-step, I advise you to look at, clicking on there and looking at Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Those are two ones that works very, very well. Also, they have other ones here to check out, but I advise you to look at those two first of tying that together, because you want to make sure your assets is secure and your account is secure when you're doing any type of transactions. So just read this information. I will have the link in the description of how you can download this information. Very simple and very easy for you. And that's what happens. So when you sign up and when you go with the process, you'll go to your mobile device and look for the Google Authenticator app that you'll download on your mobile device, or your Microsoft app on your mobile device. They'll give you an account number, a 6-digit code number. You put that in there and you confirm your withdrawal. And that's really simple and really easy. So you'll be in your account within 3 to 5 business days. I've seen it where it's been in there less than 3 business days. So definitely look out for that. I like Uphold. It's very simple, very easy. It can be a little bit of confusion if you don't understand the process. But once you understand it, it's a really good platform to use to invest, not only to cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, but others one as well. So that's how you buy and sell Bitcoin on Uphold. My name is Adam Shelton. Click on the link below to get access to the Uphold platform. Get your free account. Go ahead and start getting assets today in 2021. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. And look up above to your left, top left, watch that video. It may inspire you today. I'll see you on the next video.